Deputy Chief Minister, an actor, a philanthropist, a martial art specialist, and a Fortune 5 celebrity. Welcome to you, sir, on the stage. The stage is yours.
जय भारत जननीय तनु जाते, जय हे कर्नाटक माते, जय सुंदर नदी वनगल नाडे, जय हे रस ऋषिगल बिडे. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಯ ಮುದ್ದಿನ ಮಗಳಾದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ತಾಯಿಗೆ, ಈ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ತಲೆಬಾಗಿಸಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. భరత మాత ముద్దులు కూతురు కర్ణాటక తల్లికి మరి ఈ నేలకి కర్ణాటక ప్రజలకి నేను శిరస్సు వంచి నమస్కరిస్తున్నాను. ನನ್ನ ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವ ಮೊದಲು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕವಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಕುಪ್ಪಿಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಂಕಟ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಕಾವ್ಯನಾಮ ಕುವೆಂಪು ಅವರ ಅಮೃತವಾಣಿ ಕವನದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಸುವುದು ನನಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಸಂತೋಷವನ್ನುಂಟು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. Before starting my message, I am pleased to start with the poem of Karnataka Rashtrakavi Sri Kuppalli Venkata Puttappa, popularly known as pen name with Kuvempu. This is what I have recited when I did MOU before, when I came here in last year. This is what I started with. ಅರಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡುವ ಮುನ್ನ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರಣ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡುವ ಮುನ್ನ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರಣ್ಯದ ಅರಿಸಿನ ಅರುಳುಗಳಿಂದ ನನ್ನ ಮನದ ಅರಿವಿನ ಅರುಳುಗಳು ತೆರೆಯುತ್ತವೆ. Before singing a song for the forest, I stand before my own mind. The forest's gentle breeze opens up the petals of my mind's awareness. This poem showcases Kuvempu's reverence for nature and his understanding of the forest as a source of spiritual growth and inspiration. And it was a great moment for me when I came here last year. On August 8th, 2024, at the historic Vidhan Saudha, a vision was born, a bold and a sincere resolve between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. When I came here, I sought the blessings of Honorable Chief Minister Sri Siddaramaiah ji. I went and met him with what purpose I came, and he guided us, and today, with his blessings and with his guidance, I am right in front of you today. So for such an honorable man, for such an honorable Chief Minister, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಸುಮಾರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Only one thing I would like to, lines I would like to say about Honorable Chief CM Sri Siddaramaiah ji, a leader whose vision harmonizes equity, ecology and development. When I met him, he is a man of few words, and he very passionately and very lovingly he invited me to his place. We had a very deep conversation. I came in front of him. I was a simple a newcomer in politics. I told him this is what I had done, and I said he really encouraged me. And thank you, Honorable CM Siddaramaiah ji, for making this happen. And along with him, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರಿಸರ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಪರಿಸರ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಈಶ್ವರ್ ಖಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. He is a true green champion of this era. As he rightly said, we come from two different political groups, on India Alliance and on NDA Alliance. We represent two different groups, but when it comes to the issues of people, we think like Indians. We don't think like which group we are. And thank you, Honorable Sri Ishwar Kandreji, for reiterating that. At the same time, who are sharing stage today on Sri Manya Indana Sachivargalada Sri KG George Avare, Manya Sarige Sachivargalada Sri Ramalinga Reddy Avare, Manya Sivajinagar Sasakaru Sri Rijwan Ahmad Arshad Avare, Manya Mukhya Karyadarshigulu Srimati Shalini Rajneesh Avare, ಅಪರ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಜುಮ್ ಪರ್ವೇಜ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಶ್ರೀ PC ರೇ ಅವರೇ, ಮೈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು ಆಲ್. ప్రత్యేక ప్రధాన కార్యదర్శి పర్యావరణం అటవీ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రభుత్వం శ్రీ అనంతరామ్ గారికి, ప్రధాన ముఖ్య అరణ్య సంరక్షణాధికారులు శ్రీమతి మీనాక్షి నెగి అవరే, ప్రధాన ముఖ్య అరణ్య సంరక్షణాధికారి వన్యజీవి శ్రీ సుభాష్ మాల్కెడే IFS ಅವರೇ, అండ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ప్రధాన ముఖ్య సంరక్షణాధికారి శ్రీ అజయ్ కుమార్ నాయక్ గారికి IFS గారికి, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆರೆದಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Namaskara Vandam. Today is not merely an event, it is an expression of ecological federalism where states are not competitors but collaborators. As a brother, as a sisterly state, and a brother, Karnataka has not only opened its resources but also its heart. And కేవలం మాకు ఇవ్వడానికి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ కర్ణాటక ప్రభుత్వం సిద్ధరామయ్య గారి ఉన్న వారి నాయకత్వంలో ఈ కర్ణాటక ప్రభుత్వం మీకు ఏనుగులు ఇవ్వడం కాదు, మాకు మీ హృదయాన్ని, మీ హృదయ కవటాలను తెరిచారు. దానికి నా సంపూర్ణ కృతజ్ఞతలు. Karnataka has not only opened its resources but also its heart. As the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and the Minister of Environment and Forests, I am proud to say that you have stood with us like a truly brotherly state. ಅವರ ಸಹೋದರ ರಾಜ್ಯದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This moment marks a living chapter in our cooperation, a living bridge of trust, wildlife and freedom and wisdom. Today we stand at a historic crossroad, not just between two states but between vision and action. This is not a mere relocation, this is a relaying of hope, wisdom and trust. These gentle giants here, the Kunki elephants, are not just gentle giants, and they're not just majestic things. They're ambassadors of harmony, mentors of restraint and icons of a shared ecological destiny. So for this, to the people of Government of Karnataka, we thank you not just for this noble gesture, but for standing us within the spirit of ecological brotherhood. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಉದಾತ್ತವಾದ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತಾ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಈ ಉಡುಗೊರೆಗಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪರಿಸರ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಯ ಬಾಂಧವ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. With this cooperation, the forests of both states will become more secure. ಈ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಎರಡು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅರಣ್ಯಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. And in return, so Honorable Minister of Forest and Environment, Sri Ishwar Kandreji, was saying to make sure these elephants will be taken care. And so I promise you, sir, to the Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji and to Honorable Ishwar Kandreji, I promise you, I'll personally look into it time to time. I'll visit them. I'll make sure their health is good. I'll make sure they've been taken care well. And I will promise you that if anything goes wrong, you can make me liable for that. And in return, we pledge to honor this trust with the precision of science, the spirit of empathy, and unshakable integrity of our purpose. This is just the beginning. Let us work together, Karnataka and Andhra, with shared footprints and a singular purpose. We look forward to taking these gentle giants, these Kunki elephants, home and establishing a modern elephant camp in Andhra Pradesh, one that reflects both traditional wisdom and modern standards of care, nutrition and ethical management. And let us continue to work hand in hand to stop smuggling of red sandals and sandalwood, to protect our shared biodiversity across borders, and to build an example of interstate ecological unity and to all of Bharat, for all of Bharat. And apart from Kunki elephants, I would like to bring it to your notice of both the states. Apart from transfer of Kunki elephants, and Karnataka government under the leadership of Siddaramaiah ji and Shri Ishwar Kandreji, we have about 9 more events happen, 9 more things have happened. One is standard operating procedure for Asian elephant capture, guidelines for field staff for HEC management, solar tentacle fence design, railway barricade design, elephant proof trench design, elephant task force and constitution functions, and know the elephant of video, educational video of elephant task force, a video of Kunki based Asian elephant capture. And apart from this, all this transfer of knowledge happen at this level. So I'm grateful to you one more time. And also I'd like to thank our beloved and respected Chief Minister Sri Andhra Pradesh Honorable Chief Minister Sri Chandrababu Naidu ji for entrusting this responsibility on me. And thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And Gaudav Mukhyamantri Sri Chandrababu Naidu గారికి కూడా నా కర్ణాటక నుంచి నా హృదయపూర్వక ధన్యవాదాలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను ఈ బాధ్యత నా మీద పెట్టినందుకు.